Welcome to the Nutley Cisco Academy. Today's presentation is on wireless and mobile networks. Types of wireless networks and their devices. Number one is Bluetooth, which has smartwatches, which uses Bluetooth to connect to other devices, those including your phone, computer, etc. And Bluetooth also uses ultra high frequency radio waves. Number two is Wi-Fi signal, which is a wireless router, phones, etc. Grabs and uses Wi-Fi signal to distribute across areas usually in residences and businesses, allowing other Wi-Fi using devices to connect to the internet. Wi-Fi uses a plain, general, and wide range radio waves rather than UHF. And third one is near field communication, which is like catch registers and stuff, which connects to a computer or phone, which is in an electromagnetic field that allows the register to transmit data between machines. Cell phone interactions with different networks. Cell phones are used to communicate in various ways, as well as different services, such as data services, which allows the user to connect directly to the internet wirelessly without Ethernet cables, though sometimes limited in the amount of data one can use. Location services can include GPS, maps, and any other applications that use geolocation and are included in this. And finally, payment services, which is PayPal, bank accounts, and other financial services that connect into business means of transaction.
Okay. 3.1.3. In addition to the GSM and 4G and 5G transmitted and receivers, smartphone make connections in a variety of ways, like for example, a GPS or global position system. GPS use styles to transmit signals surrounding the planet. The smartphone can receive the signals and calculate the location of the phone with an actuary for 10 meters. The next is the Wi-Fi. The smartphone has a Wi-Fi transmitter in receive, allowing you can connect to local network and the internet. To receive and send data on the Wi-Fi network, your phone must be within a range of the wireless network signal. Bluetooth is a shorter range, low power wireless technology that aims to replace wire connected for accessories such as speakers, headphones, and microphones. Size Bluetooth connectivity can be used to transmit data. And the next, near field communication, NFC, is a wireless communication technology that allows data exchange between devices that are very close to each other.
Mobile devices offer the convenience of working, learning, playing, and communicating anywhere. They allow us to send and receive videos, calls, and messages without staying in one place. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can access apps for news, music, and podcasts while conserving battery life. However, it's important to use security precautions when connecting to Wi-Fi networks to protect your data on your mobile device, just as you do with any other device.
To connect your Android or iOS device to a Wi-Fi network within range, turn on Wi-Fi and go to your list of networks and find your desired network and connect to it and enter a password if needed. When the mobile device is out of range, it will attempt to connect to another Wi-Fi network, and if no Wi-Fi network is in range, the mobile device will connect to cellular data. When the Wi-Fi is on, it will automatically connect to any Wi-Fi network that it has connected to previously.
Uh, when a device cannot connect to a Wi-Fi network, that means that the SSID broadcasting may be off, or the device may not be set to connect automatically. So to can manually configure like an Android or iOS device to connect. You just go to settings, add network, you enter the SSID, touch security, and then select the security type. And then iOS has an additional step, touch other network, and then you enter the password, and then you click save or join. The steps may vary depending on the device, but you could usually find the online manuals from manufacturers.
How do cellular data plans work? Cellular data plans are offered by most of the cell phone companies, but their bandwidth limitations and charge usage vary by the carrier and by plan within carriers. As a result, many mobile devices users only use their cellular data plan when Wi-Fi service isn't available. You can turn on cellular data plans on Android and iOS devices. Mobile devices are prepared to use a Wi-Fi network for internet if one is available and the device can connect to the access point and receive an IP address. If no Wi-Fi network is available, the device uses a cellular data capability if it is configured.
Bluetooth configuration on a Windows laptop is usually a simple process. To start, ensure that the Bluetooth device is turned on and installed. Then, on your Windows laptop, navigate to the settings menu and select devices. Click on Bluetooth and other devices, and toggle the Bluetooth switch to on. Your laptop will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Select the device you want to connect to the following and and follow any on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. Once connected, you can start using your Bluetooth device with your Windows laptop. You should now be able to use your Bluetooth device on your Windows laptop.
Simple connectivity with Bluetooth. Cellular and Wi-Fi can be difficult to configure and require extra equipment such as towers and access points. Bluetooth technology provides a simple way for mobile devices to connect to each other and to wireless accessories. Some devices that use Bluetooth are hands-free headsets, keyboards and mice, stereo control, car speakerphone, tethering, and mobile speakers.
Check the instruction to connect to a Bluetooth device. For Android, you have to check the instructions on your device to make sure it can connect. Select your wireless networks and settings. Touch Bluetooth to turn it on, or touch the tab to make sure it is on. Touch Discovered to select the device. Enter a PIN if required, and then touch it again to connect to it. And for iOS, you have to follow almost the same instructions, except for when you have to enter the instructions. When you have to check the instructions to enter the device, you have to do it to check the instructions for device pin, the connection pin. Select settings, Bluetooth. Touch Bluetooth to turn it on. Touch the Discover device to select it, and then type your pin.
So 3.3 wireless and mobile network summary. So devices use Wi-Fi to connect to each other for like wireless communication. Devices can automatically or manually be configured to connect to a network. Um, the two most popular operating systems for mobile devices, Android and iOS. They can also connect to devices wirelessly using Bluetooth when you set a device undiscoverable. And if a device cannot connect to a network, then it'll use a cellular data plan.
Questions. What is a type of wireless network? Varied answers like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC. 2. What does GPS use to send signals across the globe? Satellites. 3. How do some devices use Bluetooth? 3. Varied answers like hands-free headsets, keyboards, mice, etc. 4. What is the most common type of network? GSM network.
If you like this presentation, click the like and subscribe button.